Welcome to today's episode of our podcast. We're diving deep into the fascinating world of deep learning, and let me tell you, it's a topic that's both thrilling and complex. Now, I'm sure you've heard the term deep learning thrown around quite a bit lately, especially with its increasing role in artificial intelligence. But what does it really mean, and how can you get started exploring this field? Well, today, we're exploring the ideas laid out in the book Dive into Deep Learning. This isn't just any textbook. It's designed as an engaging resource that teaches you to apply deep learning concepts through hands-on coding. The authors, Aston Zhang, Zachary C. Lipton, Mu Li, and Alexander J. Smola, have crafted this with a clear vision to help readers become practical deep learning practitioners. It's interesting how this book stands out in a crowded field of AI resources. The idea is that the best way to understand deep learning is by actually doing it, learning as you build. It's not just about equations and theory, it's about rolling up your sleeves and getting your hands dirty with code. So let's break this down a bit. The text emphasizes a few key benefits of using Dive into Deep Learning. 1. Practical focus. The book comes with readable code snippets designed to teach you how to solve real-world problems. You can modify the code, play around with it, and see the outcomes of your changes, kind of like instant feedback as you learn. 2. Community-driven learning. What I really love about this initiative is the collaborative aspect. The book's content is constantly evolving, thanks to community contributions. So if you think about it, you're not just learning from a static text, but participating in an ongoing conversation within a vibrant community of learners, educators, and practitioners. 3. Iterative development. Given how quickly the field of deep learning is advancing, this book allows for rapid updates. This keeps everything fresh and aligned with the latest research and applications, something that's crucial in a fast-paced technological landscape. Just think about that for a second. While many academic resources might be outdated by the time they reach students, here you have a living document that grows and improves based on the insights of its readers and contributors. Now, as we delve deeper into this subject, let's take a moment to reflect. What are the skills that you think a deep learning practitioner should have? Is it just mastering the mathematics behind the algorithms, or is there something more? And how important do you think it is to understand the engineering aspect of implementing models? As we navigate through this topic, I'd love for you to think about these questions. It's not just about absorbing information, but actively engaging with it. Okay, moving on. The book is also supported by a wealth of materials, including an online forum for discussion and troubleshooting. So if you ever get stuck, there's a community ready to lend a helping hand. To wrap things up, here's what we've uncovered today. Dive into Deep Learning is not just a book. It's a gateway into the world of deep learning that encourages practical application, fosters community interaction, and adapts to keep pace with rapid developments in the field. If you're curious about getting started or honing your skills, this resource not only provides foundational knowledge, but also empowers you to apply it in real scenarios. And who knows, this might just be the start of your journey in AI and deep learning. Thanks for being here today. Keep asking those questions and remain curious, because that's how we learn and grow. We'll catch you in the next episode. Happy learning.